Hello everyone, welcome to Algebra area method. We are going to have 3 boxes plus 1 extension. This one is box number 1, and in this one I will show you how to read area tiles. If we know how to read area tiles, we can multiply binomials, which is something that we're going to do in box number 2. This one is one area tile, this one is another one, and this one is another one. Do you remember that to find the area we have to multiply the length times width? This is exactly what we're going to do right now. So let's do the first one. We have to multiply 1 times 1, which gives the area of 1. Let's do the second one, which is x times 1, which gives the area of x, and finally the last one, which is x times x, which gives the area of x squared. Now you know how to read area tiles. Now we have to do box number 2. For this one, we have an example in which one we have to multiply using the area method. The example that we have is the binomial x plus 2 times x plus 1. The first thing that we have to do is to draw the area tile of x plus 2. So let's start by drawing x. We have this one is the area tile of x. Now we have to draw the 2. In this case, we have to draw 2 little boxes. Each one is 1, which is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now we have to draw x plus 1. Let's start by drawing x. This one is x and this one is 1. Now the next step that we have to do is that we have to multiply. So we multiply x times x, which is going to be equals to x squared. Now we multiply 1 times x, which is x, and 1 times x, which is x. Now we multiply x times 1, which is going to be x, and now we multiply 1 times 1, which is going to be 1, and 1 times 1, which is going to be 1. Finally, the last step that we have to do is that we have to see how many x squared, x, and 1s we have. So we have 1 x squared plus 1, 2, 3, which is 3x, plus 1 plus 1, which is 2. And this is the answer that we get of multiplying binomials by reading area tiles. Now we go to the next one. For box number 3, you have to try it by yourself first. Remember to multiply using the area method, and we're going to multiply the binomial x plus 3 times x plus 2. While you try to do it, I'm gonna draw the area tiles. Now you can see we have the same. I have x 1 1 1, x 1 1 1. So the next thing that we have to do is we have to multiply. So let's multiply. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is going to be x. X times 1 is going to be x. 1 times x is going to be x. 1 times x is going to be x, 1 times x is going to be x. And now we multiply 1 times 1, which is going to be 1. 1 times 1 is going 1 times 1 is going to be 1. Then we get 1, 1, another 1, and the last one. Now we have to see how many x squared, x, and 1s we have. So we have 1x squared plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And this should be the answer. I hope you have the same answer. Now we can go to box number 4, which is the extension. How can we use algebra tiles to multiply x minus 2 times x plus 3? Do you see that we have a negative here? It's right here. How will it change the process? Now you have to think this one by yourself. You have to think how this negative is going to change your tiles.